In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a saved search on LinkedIn. If you've been exploring profiles, companies, or jobs on LinkedIn, your recent searches can build up quickly. Clearing them is a simple way to tidy your experience and reset the suggestions you see. Let's walk through it together so you can do it confidently. First, open LinkedIn and sign into your account. Once you're on your home page, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar. That's the main search field you use to look up people, posts, jobs, or companies. Click directly inside that search bar. As soon as you do, LinkedIn will show a small drop-down of your recent searches. In that drop-down, look for the option that says Clear or Clear All. Depending on the view you're seeing, it might appear near the bottom of the list or just beside the recent items. Go ahead and select it. This is the action that prepares LinkedIn to remove those recent search entries from your history. When you click Clear or Clear All, LinkedIn will display a confirmation message. It explains that your search history is only visible to you and that it helps the platform provide better, more personalized results. You'll also see a prompt asking if you're sure you want to clear it. This is just LinkedIn making sure you really want to proceed. If you're certain you want to delete your search history, choose Clear History to confirm. That's the final step. Once you confirm, LinkedIn will remove the items from your recent search list right away. A couple of quick tips as you do this. If you don't immediately see the clear option, make sure you've clicked inside the search bar so the recent list appears. Sometimes you may need to scroll within that small drop-down to find Clear or Clear All. Also, clearing your search history affects only your recent searches shown in that drop-down. It doesn't remove your connections, messages, or any content you've saved elsewhere, and it won't change your profile. And that's it. You've just cleared your saved search history on LinkedIn. It's a quick reset that can help keep your search suggestions fresh and uncluttered, especially if you've been experimenting with lots of different queries. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.